Okay, I got my new computer. This is my old computer, and I went ahead and pulled out the RAM, which is I think it's 4 gigs. I can't see it on that one. 4 gigabytes of RAM. I guess that's RAM, random access memory. And I don't know if that's 4 gigabytes combined or what. I don't know. But just seems like something you ought to hang on to, you know? They're not making them anymore. Well, they may be making them, but we're not getting them here. I pulled out my hard drive. I'm going to be destroying that. And I pulled out the 2 little 12-volt fans. Just handy little things to have. All right, and the rest is going to the dump. I got into a heated argument one time with a computer repair guy. I brought my computer to him to repair, and he said, "I won't tell your wife about the porn I find on your computer." And I said, "You won't find porn on my computer." And he said, "Oh, come on, all men look at porn." And I said, "You're full of shit. Not all men look at porn. All men who look at porn claim that to make themselves feel better about looking at porn. But I assure you, all men do not look at porn." And, you know, I'm no prude. But he got real mad. And he got mad and he treated me incredibly rude after he worked on my computer and found no porn. The only reason I'm concerned about my hard drive is all my banking and Google AdSense and Social Security, all the forms I've had to fill out for handgun licenses. I mean, you know, I have no idea. Now, I can take these apart and I can replace components. I could have added RAM right there. I could have put a new hard drive in. But I don't know the tech side of it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's actually on here. And I don't know enough to risk letting this get in somebody's hands who does know how to take this out and extract the info and get my $50 out of my bank, or, you know, use my social security number. I'm gonna need 2 hands. 1 second. I encountered another person that got mad when I didn't do something that they said, "Oh, everybody does." And that was alcohol. I had, at that point in my life, I had come to realize that I was an all or nothing kind of guy. I couldn't drink a beer, I drank a case. I couldn't snort a line, I would snort a gram. I couldn't smoke a joint, I would smoke it till a bag was gone. I had no moderation. So I had to stop doing bad stuff because I couldn't control how much of it I did. Well, anyway, Charlie and I were at a motorcycle rally in Orlando. And one of the guys there had some moonshine. And they were passing it around. And the guy who was real proud about having it handed it to me. And I said, "I don't drink, thank you." And he said, "Oh, come on." He did the typical, shit. That's the smallest one I have right there. It's a Torx. He did the typical, "I'm going to force you to do something you don't want because I want you to do it." I said, "I don't drink." And he said, "Oh, come on, just a sip." I said, "I don't effing drink. Do you not understand that? I don't drink." It was almost a freaking fist fight because I wouldn't take a sip of this booze that I guess he had made. I don't know. And there are those people that if they do bad shit, they want to believe that everybody does it. because it makes them feel better about doing it. And it's just like porn, you know? You come across some people who joke about it and stuff like that. And I have in the past joked about it. Bomb chicka wah wah. You know, I've joked about sending out my calendar of me in a Speedo. I'm talking about that kind of joking. I'm not talking about the kind of stuff that's you're gonna have to look Jesus in the eye and explain yourself. So I don't do things that I'm gonna be ashamed of. I try not to. You know, I've done lots of things in my life that I am gonna have to explain. And but you know, when I was about 30, I stopped doing about 99% of the stuff that I knew my Creator, my Savior, would not be happy with. Anyway, let me get this out of here, cut it in half, maybe quarter it, I don't know, but that's what I need right there. Okay, I'm not joking. I'm sitting here sanding knives right here, and this is what I've got on me while I'm sanding. It's working. Not for Breezy. Breezy's not a happy boy at all. Isn't that weird? I mean, literally, the chair is a long ways behind me, and I am bent over sanding this knife, and this is where she's laying. Oh, not the camera.
Your life might change, but your flooring can last a lifetime. Order now. Get your flooring installed off the load. Home to any budget. Home to any possibility.
I'm gonna have to lock her out of this shop. Watch. I can't get nothing done.
Like many people with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease, I was there. You're done. But my symptoms were keeping me from where I needed to be. So I talked to my doctor and learned Humira is the #1 prescribed biologic for people with UC or Crohn's disease. And Humira helps people achieve remission or relapse. So you can experience new or new.
See, and if you don't pay attention to her, she'll bite you. That is a very needy cat there. See, there's the butthole again. I just don't get it. Here, look at my butthole. Okay, I am cooking Abel's. 2 knives. I got 2 knives for him. Then I'm going to go back to the house and put the last coat of True Oil on that raton, that knife. And tomorrow I will have the handles on these. And if we don't go anywhere Monday, I'll start making sheets. Get there. All right. Let it soak a minute. But guess what? We have a name for you. Your new name is Roof Cat. All right. You happy with that? Roof Cat. We were calling you Cat 2, and then I was just calling you Kitty Kitty. Yeah, I'm not the crazy cat guy, am I? See you tomorrow.
It says right here, connect 2 mobile phones, support display, battery on phone, and they talk from the phones.
Did you ever think you'd see this? Breezy chilling with a cat. That is funny. She's flexing she got her paw on him, and she's flexing her paw. Oh, that poor dog.
Yeah, he'll chill out.
I really think so. I think so because I've made a point out of, you know, really petting him a lot and telling him he's a good boy and all that.
Well, don't expect Lucy to accept her or Sonny.
I don't. As long as, you know, she's going to stay here. So as long as he's adapting to her, that's all I really care about.
Sonny is the princess. She is in charge. That's her house.
Yeah. Well, I guess we're a happy family now. I've got Abel's 2 neck knives and the tempering oven. And tomorrow I will be putting handles on them. Oh, we awake now? Did I wake you? I just saw a really funny meme. I hope I can say it without laughing. It was just a written word meme, not a picture. It's hummingbirds. I shall silently sip the nectar out of these flowers in a quiet ballet. And then woodpeckers. I'm gonna stab the. I'm gonna stab the bugs out of this tree. I can't. Holy crap. Woodpeckers. I'm gonna stab the bugs out of this tree with my face knife. Maybe nobody else thinks that's as funny as I do, but holy crap, that's funny. Yeah, hummingbirds. I shall silently sip this nectar from the flower in a quiet ballet. And woodpeckers. Yeah, I'm gonna stab the bugs out of this tree with my face knife.